Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.4, question 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So I have already explained to you the elimination method and substitution method. So you can go to the playlist and find out the videos which is explained in detail, elimination method and substitution method. Exercise 3.3 we have done fully on substitution method. Here we will do both elimination and substitution method. So let's begin with the elimination method. So we'll do the first sum. So by elimination method we are going to do. So by elimination method. So the first sum, that is x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So we consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So in elimination method, normally what we do, we will see both the equations and we have to see any one variable should be same. Here for example, we have x here, but here we have 2x. If it would be 2x here also, then it is easy for us to eliminate by changing the sign. So then we will see y. For y here 1 time, here we have 3 times. So neither y is same nor x is same. So what we will do, any one variable coefficient will make it same by multiplying with the same coefficient with the other equations. If you want to make it x the same, then you will multiply this equation 1 with 2. Then what we will get when we multiply the whole equation with 2, we will get 2x and then this will become same. So same way, if you want y, then y coefficient here it is 3. So with 3, if you are multiplying equation 1, then we will get 3y here. So any one you can do it. I will do it now with the 3. So multiplying equation 1, multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay, so equation 1 is what? X plus y equal to 5. So whole thing we will multiply with 3. You can take x also, no problem. Any one variable you can choose to make it same. So when we multiply with the 3, we will get 3x here plus 3y equal to 3 5s are 15. So this becomes our new equation, that is 3. So now we got equation 3, also we have 3y, in equation 2 also we have 3y. So now we can eliminate it. So let's write down from equation 2 and 3 we get, so from 2 and 3. So let us write down 2 is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Equation 3 is 3x plus 3y equal to 15. So now we are going to eliminate y, okay, because both the coefficients are same. Now one thing you have to observe, here it is minus, here it is plus. Since it is different sign, it is easy for us to eliminate. If at all you find here also plus, then what we have to do? We have to change the sign here for all. Since we have here already different sign for this to eliminate, we don't need to change the sign. So here since already different sign is there, we will eliminate it. So then what we will have? We'll have 5x equal to, this is 15 plus 4 will give us 19. Then x equal to 19 upon 5. So we got the variable value, x value we got it. Now putting x equal to 19 upon 5 in equation, any equation now we can put. We have equation 1, we have equation 2, we have equation 3. Any of the equation you can put this value and get the value for y. So we'll put it in equation 1 because equation 1 is more simpler. So we have the value of x. So if we put the value of x, we can get the value of y. So we'll put it in equation 1. Equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5. So x value we know 19 upon 5 plus y value we don't know. So now let's keep y here only. This 19 upon 5 when it comes this side will become minus now. This is in plus, okay. So this is in division, so when it comes it will go to multiplication, but this whole thing is in plus here. So let us bring it here. It will go to minus. So the whole thing we will bring it here. This is whole thing is in plus here, so we'll bring it here minus. It will become. So now if you see in denominator we have 5 here. Here we have nothing, so we'll consider that there is 1. So we'll take the LCM. So to get here also 5, what we'll do, both the side we will multiply with 5, so that we get it 5 here in denominator. So both the side when you multiply with 5, we'll get 5 5s are 25. Here this 19 will remain like this, and here we will get it 5. So here already we have 5, so in common we will take 5. This I'll show you here. This is like this. So both this, since to get it here 5, we'll multiply both the side with 5. So then what we'll get? We'll get 25 and 5. Then 19 upon 5. So both the side denominator we have 5. So 5 is taken in common. Then 25, this minus, and 19. So now y, we will have 25 minus 19 will give us 6 upon 5. So this is our answer by elimination method. Now we have to do it by substitution method, because in the question it is asked that we have to do it by elimination method and substitution method. So let's do the substitution method. So by substitution method, so we'll consider this as equation 1, this equation 2. So by substitution method, what we do? We will just find the variable of value of any one variable and then substitute in another equations. So let's take equation 1, x plus y equal to 5. So then we will find out the x value. So 5 will be here, plus y when it comes here becomes minus y. Then this we consider as equation 3. So now putting or substituting x equal to 5 minus y in equation 2, because we derived from equation 1, so we'll put it in equation 2. So equation 2 is what? 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 in the place of x we will put 5 minus y, then minus 3y equal to 4. So when you multiply, you will get 10 minus 2y, then minus 3y equal to 4. So we will get here minus 2y and minus 3y will give us minus 5y, and this 4 is here. This plus 10 when it comes here becomes minus 10. So minus 5y, 4 minus 10 will give us minus 6. So then minus minus gets cancelled. We have 5y, here 6. We'll keep y here only, keep the 6 here. And this 5 is multiplication, when it comes to division. So we got the value of y. Now substituting y equal to 6 upon 5 in equation. Now we have 3 equations. You can place in any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. Any of this equation you can place it, the value of y, and get the value for x. So I'll put it in equation 3. Equation 3 is what? That is x equal to 5 minus y. So x equal to 5 minus y value is 6 upon 5. So let's take the LCM now. So here we have nothing in denominator, keep it 1. So now to get 5 here in denominator, both the side will multiply with 5. So we'll get 25 and this minus is here, 6 will be like this. And here it will be 20 because both sides multiplying with the 5. So this becomes 25 and here it will become 5. So both the side will be 5. So common we will take it. Now 25 minus 6 will give us 19 upon 5. So got the same answer. So elimination method also we got the same, and substitution method also we got the same answer. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.